Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. A little bit different. We're out here riding some mountain bikes today, and we're going to help you learn the 5 common mistakes that we see beginning mountain bikers make doing jumps, how to conquer those so that one day you're hitting jumps like this. So today we want to share with you 5 common jumping mistakes that we see new mountain bikers making and how you can correct those so you can go out and learn how to hit jumps and then one day step up to, something like this big double gap that you see right here behind me. Now, it doesn't matter what jump you're hitting, whether it's a jump like this I'm at right now, or if you're on a newer jump that's a smaller tabletop, the steps and the technique is always going to be the same. Now, that being said, first mistake that we see is, riders just not choosing a good jump to learn on. You want to find a jump that's going to be within your skill level. And the best type of jump that you can learn is one that has a nice, smooth, gradual face, that's not too steep, that's not going to pop you up, and then also a tabletop jump. So that way, as you're learning, if you're not going fast enough to clear the jump the first time, the second time doesn't matter, you can gradually work your way up and get enough speed to finally clear that jump. So smooth takeoff with a tabletop is going to be the best jump to learn on. The second mistake is not being in the correct position as you're coming up to the jump. And before I even get into this next step, one thing I will say is never hit a jump sitting down. That is one of the worst things that you can do learning to jump, because 9 times out of 10, if you're sitting down off a jump, you're going to end up doing an endo, you're going to go over the handlebars, and it's just not going to end well for you. Now, mistake number 3 is not extending your legs as you're going up the jump face. So here I'm in the correct position, but as I'm coming up the face of the jump, I'm going to start to extend my legs, almost like I'm just standing up on the bike. And that's going to put me in the correct position as I'm leaving the jump face, which leads me to mistake number 4, which is not pulling up correctly. As I get to the top of this jump, and just before my front tire is about to leave the lip, I'm going to start to pull my handlebars up into my chest. A lot of riders, when we say pull up, they think of pulling up straight up and down, but you almost like you're doing a seated row at the gym. Just pull the bars up into your chest, and that's going to lift the front tire, because you want that front tire going up until the rear wheel gets off the lip. Now, mistake number 5, now you can see I'm in the air, is you want to bring your knees back up into you, and that's going to level out the bike. If you stay with your legs extended pulling up, you're going to do what we call a rocket ship, and the front's going to stay too high. So once you're in the air, I'm going to pull my knees up into my chest. Once I've done that, I'm going to spot my landing, get ready for impact, and ride away clean. And those are the 5 common mistakes that we see. So if you have any questions or some more feedback, or maybe there's a mistake that you've experienced that we didn't talk about, well, we'd love to hear what that is. So leave that down in the comment section below. Maybe there's a mistake that you've made or you've seen other riders make as they're learning. Well, we'd love to know what that is, and leave those down below as well. And if you like this video, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. My name is Chase. Thanks for watching.